Question number 4 of exercise 1.2. Question I read first. The chain based index number for sales of certain type of scooters from the year 2010 to 2015 are as follows. Find fixed base index numbers. तो ईयर दिया गया है और इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ सेल दिया गया है. Index number year that is 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 और index number of cell that is 110 up to 111. तो ये चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर दिया गया है, उस पर से हमें फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो जो फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर की फॉर्मूला क्या है? कन्वर्टिंग चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर इनटू फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर. देन फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर इज इक्वल टू fixed base index number is equal to current year chain base index number, that is this, into fixed base index number of preceding year जो हम फाइंड करते हैं वो डिवाइडेड बाय 100. क्या मतलब हुआ? current year chain base index number into fixed base index number of preceding year divided by 100. Then we calculate this for 2010. Our chain base index number is 110. So here current year chain base index number is 110. तो fixed base index number of preceding year we do not know. हम जानते नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? 100 लेंगे. 100 upon 100. Then remaining is 110. तो बच्चों ये 2010 के लिए fixed base index number आया. Now for 2011 current year chain base index number is 112 into fixed base index number of preceding year, that is 110 divided by 100. Simplify this, then we get 123.20. Now 2012 109 into 109, that is current year chain base index number, into fixed base index number of preceding year, and this, that is 123.20 divided by 100. Give simplification of this, then we get 134.29. Now 2013 108 is our current year chain base index number, that is 108 into preceding year fixed base index number, that is 134.29 divided by 100. Simplify this, then we get 145.03. Now 2014 current year chain base index number, that is 105 into preceding year fixed base index number, that is 145.03 divided by 100. Simplify this, then we get 152.28. And for last 2015 our current year chain base index number is 111 into preceding year fixed base index number is 152.28 upon 100. Simplify this, then we get 169.03. यानी current year chain base index number from this into preceding year fixed base index number is this. Simplify upon 100. Give simplification of this, then we get fixed base index number. तो ये complete, ये चैप्टर हमारा 1.2 complete होता है. ठीक है? ओके फाइन. ठीक है स्टार्ट. गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. In last lecture we saw question number 2 of exercise number 1.2. Now today we will see question number 3. First I read the fixed base index number of food from the month of January to October in year 2015 for the industrial workers of Ahmedabad are as given below. Compute the chain base index number. Here fixed base index number is given. We convert fixed base index number into chain base index number. बरोबर है बच्चों. ये मंथ दिया गया है जनवरी टू अक्टूबर. ये इंडेक्स नंबर दिया गया है 271 70 इस तरह सब फिगर है. और हमारा फॉर्मूला है चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर इज इक्वल टू फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ करंट ईयर डिवाइडेड बाय फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग ईयर. प्रीसीडिंग ईयर. बरोबर है बच्चों. फिक्स बेस नंबर ऑफ current year divided by fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. Now we convert this index number into chain based index number, right? So first for January 271 is index number. So 271 of is current year fixed base index number. Preceding year fixed base index number we know did not know. We do not know. So then putting this value अगले साल का फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर है वो हम जानते नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे 271 अगले साल का 271 ही लेंगे into 100, then we get 100. So 100 is our change base index number of January. For February, fixed base index number of current year is 270. Preceding year is 271 into 100, then we get 99.63. For March, fixed base index number of current year 268 upon preceding year index number, that is 270 into 100, then we get 99.26. For April, current year fixed base index number is 268 divided by preceding year index number, that is 268 also, into 100, give simplification, then we get 100. For May, 278 is our fixed base index number of current year, that is year month. So 278 upon 268 divided into 100, then we get 103.73. For June, current year fixed base index number is 283 divided by preceding year index number, that is 278 into 100 is equal to 101.80. For July, current year fixed base index number is 283 divided by preceding year index number is 283 into 100, then we get 100. Now for August, 293 is current year fixed base index number, preceding year index number is 283, that is this, into 100, then we get 103.53. Now for September, current year fixed base index number is 293 divided by preceding year index number is 293 into 100, then we get 100. And last for October, current year, that is current month year, current month index number is 299, preceding month index number is 293 into 100, then we get 102.05. So first 199.63, all these up to 102.05 all are our chain based index number. तो सिंपल बच्चों ये मेथड आपको कंप्लीट क्लियर हो गई होगी कि chain based index number is equal to fixed base index number of current year divided by fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. So for this we calculate this sum. This time we solve two sums. इस प्रकार के हमने दो सम किए, तो मैं मानता हूं कि आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। ओके।